Hello, Trailblazers. I am now going to show you today how you can register for our workshops, and then also how you can maybe mark other sessions that you might want to attend as well. You will receive an email with this attendee link that is unique to yourself. So when you click on it, you're going to see a screen similar to this. It says this, and here's all the information. And if you notice by all these, there's a register. I do want to again state, if it's not a workshop and say it's a keynote or a session or even the well-architected workshops, you don't need to register for those. Those are just going to be first, walk in and you'll be able to attend. We do have these smaller 12-person workshops that you do have to register to attend for. But if you do click the other ones that you're interested on and click register, it does give you a nice little way to know what you're, going to be attending during the day. So I'm going to click a few like, okay, I want to do the opening keynote, of course. It's going to be a great one. I want to go to the getting started with UX research. If you do notice, I can click 2 at 10 o'clock. We do not have a system where it's going to block both. So that's going to, kind of give you maybe, little conflict, but maybe okay. I want to only do the research. Again, the regular sessions, you can choose these. It's not going to affect if you choose them all. But now we do have these workshops. If we do go to TahoeDreamin.com and go up to our menu here under the schedule and choose workshops, you will see the current workshops we have listed. We might come up with some more. These are just the 4 current with one of them twice. These are the ones, again, there are only 12 people in. They're small, they're intimate, they're hands-on. You do have to register for these. First 12 get in. Anybody over the 12 goes into a wait list. And the email will explain more of that. But here, if you go to, again, TahoeDreamin.com, go on a menu for schedule, over to workshops, you can see the name and description of them. But in the email you get, which is your attendee link, unique to yourself, you can click this filter by and choose workshops. And now you're going to see the exact date and time they are. If you don't do the filter, that's fine. You can still find them, but the workshop filter makes it a little easier. And now you can click, okay, I want to maybe attend the data groomer, scrubbing your Salesforce data with data groomer. I'm going to do that one. And document automation. Once you choose it, got to filter again by workshops. And then I want to do that one as well. Again, once you click it, I can't stop this. It will refresh. You got to choose the filter by workshops again. This is how you now register. Again, we have a limit to 12. Anybody over 12 goes to waitlist. So we do ask only register for these workshops for the ones that you really do want to attend. Because if you sign up and then you don't attend, you took away a seat from somebody else that might have been, really interested and might have been able to attend. So please only click the workshops to register if you will be attending those. Again, these are the 5 we have, 4 unique ones, duplicate of the scrubbing data on different days. So that way you have a chance to attend either of those days for that one. There might be more workshops coming and listing, and if there are, you will receive an email to look at those ones that have been registered. But that's how you do it, and now you are registered. If it is over, once it reaches 12, you will see that it is a wait list, and this list will send you that you can go on the wait list. But if you're really interested in attending that workshop and it says wait list, please click to go on the wait list, because somebody else might back out and you might be moved up to be attending, and we will send you an email if that happens. Okay, that is all. If you have any questions, please use our Slack as always and let us know what those are. Take care. See you soon.